Good morning, boys and girls. Please remember to stop the video, take down your notes, and then continue watching it. I hope you've had a nice weekend, and we are back into the swing of things. Today we'll be doing Getting Ready for 5th Grade Lesson 10, and this lesson is called Decomposing Numbers Using Multiples of 10, 100, and 1000. So basically, decomposing means that you're breaking down numbers using their factors and multiples of 10. So we're doing the zero rule. So we're figuring out how to play with multiplication by breaking down a number with zeros using the multiples of 10, 100, and 1000. So when you're looking at 1200, we're talking about how can we break down this large number into two basic facts that we can work with using zeros. So here, we're going to think of one number times 1 would give me 1200. Well, knowing that anything times 1 is itself, we know that we can use 1200 to break it down. But this is not really breaking it down. We really break down 1200 when we get into 10, hundreds, and thousands. So here we're going to think of one number times 10 is 1200. So basically we're taking one number from here and adding it here, and we're left with 120. Okay? And so decomposing this number is using mental math and the zero strategy. So for every one number that you pass over, you delete one number from the actual number that we're breaking down. So here, if we've transferred over 2 zeros, here we're only left with 12. Decomposing a number allows you to break down the number using mental math and the zero strategy. Okay, so I'm going to give you another example, and this other example is 2,800, which is also, you can also say 2,800. You say it's 2,800 because you have 2,800s in this number, and that's another way of saying it. And remember that we did that back in chapter 1 with place value, renaming numbers. So instead of saying 1,200, you can say 1,200 because it has 12 hundreds, 12 groups of hundreds in it. So here, if we're looking at 2,800, right, we're looking at 2,800 times 1. But let's say that we would break it down and do it times 10. That means how many groups of 10 would be in 2,800? So if we transferred over one number, that means that we're going to have 280 groups of 10 in 2,800. And this is another way of thinking of it. So again, let's try breaking it down one more time. Okay, can we break down 2,800 by 100? Yes, that would tell me that we have 28 hundreds in 2,800 or 2,800. So remember that decomposing a number is another way of breaking it down by multiples and renaming the number using tens, hundreds, and thousands. In your worksheet, make sure that you're doing even only and you find the patterns within the numbers to break it down. If you have any questions, please remember to WhatsApp me, email me, or text me. Stay tuned to lesson 11 from Getting Ready for 5th Grade.